Namaste, beautiful souls. I'm Daniela from Lotus Light. How are you doing? Did you know that I am a Reiki Master? Yes, I am a master of the diamond light codes. Can you imagine? It's insane in a good sense. I offer Reiki healing in my coaching sessions. So if you book a 30 minutes or 60-minute session with me, then I intuitively connect with you. You tell me what it is you want to work on, and then I see what I get through, what is best, the best method to work with you, be it through crystals, through connecting to the light beings, or Reiki. If the Reiki is the best for you at that moment, then I activate all my Reiki symbols to direct the Reiki energy towards you. Isn't that cool? I think it's really cool. So, Reiki. Why Reiki? Well, Reiki is a method that can assist you in healing yourself. You know, when you have pain, what's the first instinct that you do? The first action that you take? You lay your hands on that pain. Be it a headache, a stomach ache, or a child that's grabbed their knee, whatever it is, you put your hands on it to calm yourself or the child, to show love, to assist the healing. You see, when we are calm, the healing can kick in. Isn't that cool? So our first action is touch, hold or rub that area. So what if those touches can actually heal, like really direct energy into those areas? What if you could access the power of healing through touch? Reiki is such a method where you receive through touch healing, be it on a physical level or on a psychic level. Yes, you heard me right. I can touch you psychically and you would even feel it. Isn't that cool? I think it's amazing. So, what is Reiki? Reiki derives from two words, Rei, which means spirit, and Ki, which means energy, life force. So Reiki is a spiritually guided life force energy, an energy that flows through all living things. So what is Reiki healing? Reiki healing is the practice of moving or manipulating these energies. Reiki encompasses all three aspects of self in its healing: mind, body, and spirit. And this amazing method was developed by a Buddhist monk named Mikao Usui in 1992. And the principles of Reiki are the secret art of inviting happiness, the miraculous medicine of all disease, just for today, do not anger, do not worry and be filled with gratitude, devote yourself to work, to be kind to people every morning, every evening. Join your hands in prayer. Pray these words to your heart and chant these words with your mouth. Using Reiki treatment for the improvement of body and mind. This is from the founder Usui Mikao. I got so excited. Yes, so it is just for today. No anger. Be happy. Just for today. Be kind. I love this so much. So how does Reiki actually work? How does it work? Quantum physics has shown us that all matter is matter of vibration. So there is research that shows that our very intention can affect the field of vibration. So basically, we are all energy. Everything around us is energy, and we can direct energy through intention. And the channel, that would be me, can direct the Reiki energy towards the person receiving it. So the guided life force energy, the spiritually guided life force energy, which means the energy of a very high vibration, wanting the very best for yourself, is then directed to you, the person who is receiving it. And then the vibrations received vibrate at such a high rate that it can shift the slow vibrating energies in the body and mind. So the energy key is not moving with ease in the body. If this is the case, that it is not moving with ease, it creates a blockage in a certain area. You may feel a physical pain or tension or stressed out. You may feel depressive. You may feel unhappy with yourself. That signals that you hold energies within you that are very slow or even block your flow, your life force, your happy, joyful energy within you. And this blockage can create itself in a physical pain. It can produce physical pain or tension, and even increase your level of stress. So it is important for the Reiki healers to have a firm grasp of Reiki and feeling the energy, so being really in tune, intuitive. So you can feel what's happening. When I have a session with a client, I always feel the pain in my own body. So I know exactly where I need the energy, where I need to direct towards, to what area in the body, so it can blow up. I even often ask the clients, hey, do you feel any pain in your shoulder blades on the right side, in your heart, between your shoulder blades, you know? Or I ask them, where do you feel pain? And then I tune into it. So it's always very interesting. Most of the time they can feel it. Sometimes they do not feel it as strongly as I do. So it's always a very profound experience for myself. So when the channel can really feel everything very intuitively, it's easy to assist with the energies to shift the person who's receiving the energy, their state of being, their vibrational state. Okay? Yeah. So that's basically what's happening. The key energy is then manipulating the vibrations of the body and aligning it back into its perfected state of happiness, harmony, joy, and in this sense, dissolving the stress, the tension, the pain. Yeah. So I'm offering 30 minutes coaching sessions or 60 minutes where you receive a special healing such as Reiki, and it can be added to the Reiki. We can also additionally call in, if you want to, the unicorn energy. They're very powerful. They're very pure energy. Or the dragon energy. They are very cool because they can go into very intensive pain or memories that we really deeply locked up, that we really hide from ourselves very well. So we are not aware of it, so we cannot shift it. Once we're aware of it, we can shift it, you see. Or we can work with the mermaids. I love the mermaid energy because this goes really deep into the emotional body, like deep waters, you know. It's amazing. Or we can work with the fairies additionally. The fairies are such a happy, joyful vibration, such as like dolphins. They're such a joyful energy. It's amazing what you can shift through joy. It's literally amazing. Or we can also connect to the angels. Such a beautiful, loving energy and very gentle energy are the angels. Or we can connect to the star beings, such as the Sirians, Andromedas, the what else do we have? The Pleiadians. You know, there's so many enlightened star beings that can work with us and use their own light tools additionally to what I already can channel direct to you. So it's really, really cool and powerful. So, and the best of all is that Reiki can be sent over a distance. It is not bound to any space or time, you see. So we can do a video call, like on Zoom, we can connect, and then I interact with you. You tell me what you want to work on in the session, and then I will tell you what I'm going to do. We start the session, and at the end you can give me feedback, or if you have any questions maybe that came up during the session, then we can talk about it. Yes, so that's how it works. So it is like an energy that is sent to you that you cannot see. Most of the people do not see it with the physical eye. It's like, you know, the frequencies, like the internet, like the phone, like a Wi-Fi. You don't really see the energy, right? Do you? Some people may see it if they're clairvoyant enough, but most don't. It works like that. It's a high vibrational frequency sent to you, and therefore it can shift everything within you. It's like purifying yourself and aligning yourself back into your divine blueprint, into your balanced, harmonious, joyful self. That's basically what's happening. And therefore it will just lift and shift any fear, any stressful thought patterns, any anger, any grief, whatever it is that you picked up during the day in your childhood or even past life. It can heal anything. It can. So, that is everything. I'm just checking if there's anything I still would like to add. Yes, there's one more bonus I would like to add. And in addition to a treatment, what will happen to you as well is you will open up more to your own psychic self and feel more connected to your own intuition. You start to see the universe is kind and full of abundance, and you start to understand as your perception is shifting that there are many more opportunities that you may have not realized before. So that's really, really cool. And what happens also is that you can receive additional messages as I am a channel. So if I receive any message throughout the treatment, then I will tell you whatever it is that I have received. So that's also a very cool bonus, isn't it? Yes. So I love you lots. Stay tuned to your heart, especially now in these days where lots of people are stressed globally. And yeah, if you are stressed out, or if you have pain or anger or sadness or fear, or just want to have additional layer of protection for your own health or boost your immune system, get in touch. I'm the one. I can assist you in adding whatever it is that you need to lift you into a higher vibrational state of experience. I'm Daniela from Lotus Light. Namaste, love you lots, and stay tuned to your heart, my beautiful souls.